Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a Chevy Equinox gas tank. Start by unlocking the vehicle and putting it in park, then find the fuel door release on the driver's side door or near the floor. Press the release firmly or lightly, push the fuel door edge if your model uses a push-to-open flap. If the door still resists, check the child lock or use the manual emergency release inside the trunk area. If the release doesn't work, stay calm and avoid forcing things. Start by checking the trunk area for a manual emergency release or cable behind a trim panel, then inspect the hinge and latch for rust or dirt. Use a soft brush and mild lubricant to free a sticky latch, and try a gentle pry with a plastic tool to prevent paint damage. If it still fails, consider roadside assistance or a quick shop visit for a safe fix. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, I love Darn Tough socks because they feel great and come with a lifetime warranty, perfect for technicians and drivers who spend long hours on their feet. I've linked the pair I use in the description along with other deals, so check that out if you want one. Now let's get back to the video. For electronic or lock problems, first check your key fob battery and confirm door unlocks normally, since many Equinox models use central locking for the fuel door. Inspect the fuse box for any blown fuses tied to the release or locks, and replace a fuse with the correct rating if needed. Avoid amateur wiring repairs. If you suspect a wiring fault, have a trained technician diagnose it to prevent short circuits or further electrical trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.